How to add experience on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add your experience on LinkedIn. So let's get right into it. The first thing to do is to log in into your LinkedIn account, just like I have done here. You can decide to log in using your PC or your mobile phone, whichever one. Just ensure that you're logged in into your account. Once you're on your account, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you would see your profile picture by the top left corner, and then your profile name, your connections, your saved items, etc. By the time you scroll down on the main screen, you can go ahead and check out the different posts that has been made before you logged in or while you're on your account. So you can decide to check through them. Then the next step or the next thing to do is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see a taskbar displays some icons which include home, my network, jobs, messaging, notifications, me. Once you see me, click on it. In the box displayed, click on view profile. So what I must let you know is that initially when LinkedIn came out, there used to be a section separately for experience. All right, and you can always find the section by clicking on add profile section by the left side of the box, and then you'll see it here. But now you can no longer see the option experience, but instead what you would see is add position. All right, so you can see it here just below add education. So once you click on add position, the next step or the next thing to do is to begin to type out the positions that you've held in the past or the roles you've played in several companies in the past. All right, so that's the basic way to do it. So you can just type title, you can type out the job, the experience you had, and then the employment type. What kind of employment is it? There are different kinds of employment here. There's a full time, there's a part time, there's a self employed, there's a freelance, contract, internship, apprenticeship, and seasonal. You can type that out, and also, of course, you can type out the company name, the location, and all. And then once you click on save, you'd also be given a chance to come back and also add another experience. You can keep on adding and adding and adding. So that is basically how you can do it. You can just do that, and then again you can arrange it in a way that is sequential, that is according to how you add the experiences. For example, if it's 2024 that you had the last experience, you ensure that that is the last one. Then the experiences you had in previous years, you arrange it in that way so that it can be in order. So this is basically how you can add your experience on LinkedIn. I hope the tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.